So this video is showing you example number 5 from lecture 16 and showing you how to solve that. So this is what it looks like, and it wants us to determine the reactions at A and at B. So when I drew my free body diagram, it's all one solid pipe. So we're going to have a vertical and horizontal at A because it's a pin, and we're going to have a normal force for point B because that's on a smooth surface. So it's a normal reaction. So if I'm going to solve this with my equations of equilibrium, I'm going to start with the moments, summing the moments about point A, because those are two forces. So if I can knock out both of those and not have to include them, I can solve for the N of B, the normal force at B. So about A, I'm going to have a negative 750 times its distance, which is 3. And then the vertical component of N of B is going to cause a positive moment. So positive NB cosine of 30 times 6 feet. And then the X component is going to be pulling in the negative direction, and be sine of 30 degrees, and its distance is 2. All right, so if I solve this, say this equals 0, I solve for N of B, I get 4.1962. N of B equals 2250. So when I solve for the normal force at B, it could only be in that direction, so it had to be positive. 536.2055 pounds. So now that I know N of B, I can do the forces in the X or the forces in the Y. I think forces in the X are easier, so I'm going to do that first. So sum of the forces in the X direction equals 0. So we're going to have A of X, and then we're going to have minus the horizontal component of normal force at B. That's it, equals 0. So A of X equals NB times the sine of 30, 536 times the sine of 30, which gives me 268.1027 pounds. And I assumed its directions correctly because it came out as a positive answer. So now if I'm going to sum the forces in the Y direction, equal to 0, I've got A of Y, got negative 750, and I've got a positive N of B, 536.2055, times the cosine of 30. It's going to give me the vertical component equals 0. So when I do all that math, I get A of Y equals 285.6324 pounds. So I assumed all of my directions right this time. So I'm going to say A sub X equals 268.10 pounds and went to the right. A sub Y equals 285.63 pounds upwards. And the normal force at B was 536.21 pounds in that direction. And that's your answers. Solved.